Alrighty then, mic check, mic check. We are here at the open. I've got full auto turned on. We'll leave that on there for the first 5 minutes. And let's get things rolling here this morning. Alright, do me a favor and smash that like button. I'm going to get these coins lined up here, and let's go to our new layout, shall we?
Speed of RTY 145. Speed of RTY 145.
Target fill.
All right, and trade number one took off there for us. I'm still trying to get the pop-out chat here on screen. Alright, so if you are new with us, I like to sit on hands for the first 5 minutes of the US Open and let the tools do the work. So we are trade number one.
Speed of RTY 176.
And trade number one was a winner.
31.
We're looking for a winner, winner, chicken dinner plus a bonus. Let's turn the audio box on as well.
Upper bands touch RTY on the 31.
Within 5 trades. So I like to approach the markets like a video game. And like all good video games, you got a certain number of lives. You know what I'm saying? So 5 lives. And then we see how many points we can put up on the board.
RTY on the 31.
Within those. Alright, there's cross 1. If I get a second one right here, I'll smack it.
Speed of RTY 192.
Nope, didn't get a double cross there. We are 3 minutes past the open, so we got 2 more minutes here.
Upper bands touch RTY on the 31.
Good morning, Frankie.
Enigma short on the RTY 1.
Alright, I'm going to close that early. I could just see what's happening here on the higher time frame. We got a new bar on the 89. Could pop up here a second, so I cut it a little before the target. But that is trade number 2 for another winner, getting me to $640 here this morning already on full auto. Market is moving quick. We're at 192 BPM on the speedometer. Now at 102.
Enigma short on the RTY 1.
Nope, I am reversing that. We are at the bottom of a section here. Let me go naked on that. Why is the naked button not working? Thank you. Alright, and that is a 25 and a push-up, and we'll close it right there inside of a cross on a bottom like that. Had to outthink the system there for a second. We got a little narrow, tiny range going on right there, and a secondary enigma right there at the bottom. I'll pop that in. We just shifted into sell side. We are strong sell right now, so we'll look to see if we get a double cross at the top of a zone here. It would be a nice short.
95. Speed of RTY 95.
Another item, did you see that we went to the flat 0? So if you know our rules, if we come into a flat 0, I want to either reverse it or skip enigmas at the flat zone, right?
Double delta RTY on the 1.
So, flat line, remember that one, pop quiz, drill that one into your mind.
press conference.
Okay, there's 2 ready ups. On a third, we might have a reversal. Don't forget, tomorrow we will be rolling over contracts if you do it like I do.
RTY97.
Okay, we are past 5 minutes, so I'm going to turn full auto off here until I am ready for some more. I'm at 960 here this morning. I believe that was trade number 3, so I got my bonus. So we're done. What is that, 5 minutes? I've been live streaming for exactly 5 minutes. And we are up $960. I'll see if we can get $40 in here somewhere. Push it over 1K here on a Thursday.
Double delta RTY on the 1.
Do me a favor and smash that like button.
DCDMRTY on the 1.
Ghost Bear, can you explain your question a little bit farther? Are we trading the open now? What? Vinny, can we have your new setup? It's awesome. Yeah, absolutely. On Mentorship Monday next week, we're going to talk a little bit about the current layout, and I believe I will also include it in the installer going forward, but I want to get some feedback from you guys. We do have the news bug fixed.
Speed of RTY99.
Speaking of news, let's see, we do not have a 10 a.m., but we do have a 10:25 news event and a 1 o'clock later today. They're on the news. You think we're supposed to wait until 9:35?
On the 1.
Ghost Bear, bro, where have you been? Do you not attend our live streams, bro? What are you doing, man? What are you talking about? Anyway, someone inform Ghost Bear, or come back and ask that question on Mentorship Monday, and I'll go through it some more. Is this your first live stream, bro? I know we're all busy and everything, but do you not know about full auto Enigma bot?
Speed of RTY60. Speed of RTY60.
Oh, sorry to hear that, man. Been in ill health. I'm trying to catch up. All right. Well, you know what? Now I feel bad for saying that. And I'm done for the morning here, so let's talk about it. So, so the first 5 minutes, you know that I like to sit on hands for the first 5 minutes. Yes. However, remember how I have said, like, Enigma is the cheat for almost all the things that I do. It is a multi-entry system. It is amazing. There is a lot of cool stuff inside it, and it's proprietary. However, what that allows me to do is within that first 5 minutes, I let the tools do the work. I let the Enigma do its thing. I let Enigma bot take over for the first 5 minutes. So I am still technically not doing anything. Let me make sure everybody understands that first. So type a 1 if you know what I just said, or 2 if you don't, and we got to start there though as a base. Make sure you understand what I just said there.
Double delta RTY on the 1. Double delta.
Yes, let the Enigma do the work. Oh, you didn't know about full auto Enigma? What? Okay, that is very interesting. That means I have not done a good job. Okay, but I am very concerned. I'm going to have to talk with Eddie and Curtis on this. Like, how is my message not...
Speed of
how do people not know that there's full auto Enigma? Like, I'm fascinated by that. So that means whatever the program is that you guys have come into, because you're semi-new. I mean, you've been here a few months, I think. But for you to be able to be in my presence or in our room for any period of time, really, and to not know that, let me think about that. How did you get, we may need to have a chat. Like, how did you come into contact with us? I'm trying to think through the process of where people could have missed that there is a full auto Enigma. Let me think through that.
Delta RTY on the 4.
Yeah, and you're about midway through the videos. I mean, the Enigma is a little bit farther down, but on any live stream, I guess I assume people know. I need a better summary. You know what? I need a better summary video. I need to do updates around that. Been focused a lot on code. Been dealing with a bunch of going after these nasties in the legal arena. Okay. That is a nice long straight leg down here. That is probably a trap. I'm going to look for a little dog head here, and I will take a reversal for a trap right there. Oh man, it didn't give me a chance. I wanted to get long on that. Yeah, so there's your big, remember what I've told you guys before, like long straight legs. What I don't like is that was a straight leg back up. I would have preferred to see stair steps there, but looks like it might be coming in on a slightly higher time frame, which is even better because it's up on the 4s. What's our time? We are in the 940 to 950 reversal time here, so I'm going to go ahead and take that as a trap. Talk about it here in just a moment.
Fib.RTY on Delta RTY on the 31. RTY.
Wow, more straight legs. Whoa, whoa. Oh, I forgot it's contract rollover. It's day before contract rollover. All right, let's things out of the way here. So we just got divergence firing here, coming down into a diamond. There's a little doggy head. Always when I hesitate to half up, that doesn't go. Why is that?
Speed of RTY 66.
All right, I'll halvesy it.
Fib.RTY on the 8.
There's the stair steps I want to see. See little stair steps? If you see the stair steps, type a 1. If you don't, type a 2. We'll talk it through. Got a blue dot now back here behind my divergence as well. Higher time frame. That's nice. I'm going to try to hold to an opposing signal. Hold to the opposing signal. Vinny, can you do it? I know it's hard. Can you do it? All right, half there on king timing.
Money markets trim bets for October ECB rate cut to just over 7 basis points from 10 basis points just before ECB's Lagarde started speaking.
Speed of RTY 53.
Okay, I've turned on long continuous. If an Enigma shows up here, again, speed is quick, so I want to turn on full auto. That's what I just did there by clicking on continuous. You're going to continue to run right there at the red line. I'm at 2K right there on the red line. All right, I'll kill it. Red line to the opposing signal, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for the double bonus. We are now at 2 2,095 in 15 minutes. We have been live streaming for 15 minutes. 2,095.
Double delta RTY on the 1.
The old adage where, you know, the individual investor doesn't have a chance because the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, you know, more money and better opportunity, I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use best
Speed of RTY 59.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.
Double delta RTY on the 4. Lower bands touch RTY on the 31. Speed of RTY 55.
Rewind.
Lower bands touch RTY on the 31.